Islam, Shalom, Hola, Aloha, Bonjour, Osio, Assalamu Alaikum, Konnichiwa. This your brother Zach Bay, Indigenous American Moor, coming to you live in full effect. Like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell down below so you can be notified whenever I'm dropping some new content. Leave a comment, interact with me. Thank you, I really do appreciate your viewership. Let's jump into another one. Hopefully everything is legible, hopefully everything is clear and you can see. So I want to jump back into another quick one. Commercial law applied, learn to play the game. All right, so I'm going to show you some maxims, and I want to show you how this book also states sources on how the Bible and biblical terms and references are used in law. Note, you can also use the Quran, Holy Quran. You can also use the Zodiac Constitution. You know, these are all tactics that we can use, resources we can all go to when it comes to standing up for yourself, defending yourself, speaking truth to power when it comes to this legal system, you know, law, righteousness. All right, so you see here these biblical sources. I want to focus on this first. Biblical sources. All right, so it says, see, number one, Exodus is Levi, Matthew, Luke, like all these, Second Timothy, you know, all these areas you can go. It's telling you exactly where to go to look for, you know, potential insight. The second one, God's law, natural and moral law. So look, Exodus, Levi, Deuteronomy, Colossians, and then number three, Exodus, Psalms, John, 2 Corinthians, and then, you know, 4 going down, Levi, Numbers, James, all this, you know, down to Peter, Hebrews, you know, Philippians, Philippians, and Ephesians. That's what I meant to say. You feel like the book of Job right there, Matthew, and all the way down to 9. No willingness to sacrifice equals no liability, responsibility, authority, or measure of conviction. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. And 10, Genesis, Matthew, and Revelation. See, all look, all go exactly, or just type it in and it's gonna pull it up, and hopefully it can apply, or you can apply where you need it. All right, look, I want to check out these maxims of law. Now this applies to common law. It should also apply to most other forms of law, like civil law, criminal law, you know, statutory law, corporate law, you know, commerce, all this. So first one, a workman is worth his hire. All men are equal under the law. In commerce, truth is sovereign. Truth is expressed in the form of an affidavit. All right. An unrebutted affidavit stands as truth in commerce. That's why I always like to use this one as well. Right here, unrebutted affidavit stands as truth. And the unrebutted affidavit becomes judgment in commerce. All right, unrebutted. That means if you put default judgments in your affidavits and there's no response, there's no rebuttal, a default judgment, just like they do to us. He who leaves the field of battle first loses. All right, by default. All right, sacrifice is a measure of credibility. And then a lien or claim can be satisfied only through rebuttal by affidavit, point by point. I stated that before, by jury or by payment or performance of the claim. All right, all contractual remedy, jury that's finding truth in facts. All right, or affidavit point by point. And then like that, see, you start here, declaration of status, the non-corporate existence, all that can go into your affidavit of truth, administrative notice. See, you just use all that. But I just wanted to, run that down with you really fast, nothing too major, nothing too complicated. Let me know how I'm doing down below. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. Peace.